Basketball. Ang bird ba? Basketball.
So is everyone ready for the basketball game? Again, is everyone ready? Alright, birds ready. Trainers ready, set, go. Let's go, let's go, Zoom. First ball by Blue, ball by Zoom. Let's go, Zoom. Another ball by Blue, ball by Zoom. And Blue wins this round. That's all right. Also, Trainer Mary, you lost this round. What can you say? Hey, we want another round. Another round out.
Are you sure about that? Do you want Zoom to lose again?
I am pretty sure Azul and I will win this time.
So what race you have in mind?
Yeah, what race? So let's do a re-race. So the mechanics of this game is the first bird who can drop all three rings into the pool. The fastest is the winner. That is a
Bird
re-race.
ba? Oh,
So
nag-basketball. Bird,
re-race
oh.
in B. Now is everyone ready for the second round? Alright, birds ready, trainers ready, set, go! Let's go, Zoom. First ring by Blue. Let's go, Zoom. Another ring by Blue. Azul dropped all three rings at the same time. What a clever technique from Azul. So trainer Andre, did you see that? Three rings at the same time. What can you say?
What was that, Trainer Mary? You guys cheated!
The bird.
You guys really cheat? Nobody cheat. For me. How about a round of applause for our lovely birds? Blue and Azul.
Speaking.
Now for the next one.
Bibi, ano? Bird, B.
30 years old.
Sabi.
60 years old. Now lastly, did you know?
Bibi, oh. Hi. Bibi, hi.
So bats in particular are highly perceptive animals. That's why you continue to enhance their skills so that they won't get bored. So I have here a sheep box. These let's go in bandit once again. To show to us what intelligent is by putting down the sheeps. What is correct? Stocks. So ito one skills that bandit have is very essential for bandit to find food, shelter, and a place to rest. Flashing bandit. There you go, Intelligent Right. A round of applause for bandit. And I'm going to hide this bowl under one of these silver cups.
to the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna.
So this is your next. Now for our next birthday, we back and amazing even as trainers. But before we proceed, I'll be asking you guys two numbers between 1 to 20. So what's the first number? Again, numbers between 1 to 20. What's the first number? 15. 15? 19. How about on this side? What's the second number? Numbers between 1 to 20.
10.
2.
10, baby. 10.
So our equation is 19 plus 2. Now before we call our math wizard, I'll be shuffling these numbers first. Now the numbers must be shuffled. Let's call in our sa show ni